What's good? What's poppin'? Okay, so last time we were here, we'll do that later. I'm all over the place. We got a lot of things to do. So last time we were here, we added these like thumbs up, thumbs down option for people to choose. Um, right now we're literally just focusing on the general basics of each screen, and then we go back and look at the finer details. So like for example the typography, which I need to fix. um, this might not be the most functional way to do things, but for me that just works better in my head, even though I feel like I should just be working on one screen at a time, making sure that it's all good, and then do that. Let's see. So this is 28, 28, 28. I think I was talking about fixing here. So I guess we could do that first. So I'm afraid I'm too busy to exercise and meal prep to meet my goals. I need outside motivation to help me. This should be stick to my plan. It's easy for me to give up. Let's make this a little bit bigger. It should be give up, not give up. This one was 340, 64. 340, 64. Okay. Um, let's change this. And then just move it over, baby. I know what I should be doing too. This is supposed to be workouts properly, but I still need help to follow a plan. Okay, so that's good. We'll come back later and actually fix the screen a little bit more because I'm still not digging it per se. I don't know why I have type 2 diabetes down here. That's weird. Let's get rid of that. I think I was going to ask that as a question about like what medical issues, and I think I changed my mind. So for this screen, we have to make sure this is functional. So let's check it out. Oops. Oops, a daisy. Oopsies. Technical difficulties. Me oh me oh my. So let's see here. And let's do this and oops. Okay. So this is definitely not working. So this is okay. But what? This arrow. So these are all the numbers that I had there. So I'm trying to think about what's the best way to do this. Trying to find what page this is. We got a lot going on here. Fitness test Q1. So it's here. Oop. That's not right. This is in Q2. How does that even make sense? So maybe I need to change it from this. That's so odd though. Is that an image? I thought this was a button. Okay, let me go to put it here. And let me see. Actually, so this button doesn't actually do anything because you could drag up and down. So I think I'm gonna actually delete this button. I think I'm gonna make this, let me zoom up. Move the number up or down to select your age. Or should I say drag? Not sure, but maybe let's make this bigger. And maybe make this bigger. No. I'm gonna have to make this bigger. I'm just not really feeling this. Maybe I'll just make this. Ugh, I hate that. So ideally, it would be better if people could just type their age in, but I have no idea how to do that. So that's why I came up with this dragging function. I even had at one point a sliding function as well for people to move this and slide it. But I think I was having difficulty with that. Let's see. Let's just create a random frame to test it out. So let's try to use this copy and let's paste it here. Let's see if this works. So it works, but something about how fast it's moving. Let's see where we can edit that. Um, hmm. Is it this that makes it? Hmm. Hmm. I have no idea how to fix that problem. Let's see if this one works better. Mm-mm. I have the numbers listed out, but for whatever reason, it's just not showing up. But we know that this one shows up. Like you could drag and see that one. That works. That works really well. It's because of that reason I think I ended up going with this one. But I just don't like the design of this one. I'm trying to think about how to change it. So let's see, add age workout app screen. See how other people do it. If we could find a way. I can't. Let's try to see the Figma communities to see if we have any ideas. Age selection. Can't spell. Nope. Okay, so maybe there's just too much white space. Maybe what I need to do is create a image, like put an image here of someone working out to lessen the white space, and maybe that will make it look better. So just for the fun of it, we're going to remove this block and let's create another block around it. And let's make it yellow as per usual. And let's put this to the back. parentheses. Yes. Still don't like it. Let me see. Let me just copy a random workout thing and then I could like try to create one later. So let's say that we had an image here. And I will put this to drag because that's what they're doing. And let's put a question mark here. This is 28. That's the overall number. Let's make this not bold. So let's do semi-bold. And let's do it like this. I do feel like this has to be bigger. Let's see if we made Actually, let's go back. Let's make it the same size it was before. If I move this here for a second, should I put this here and then move, oops, crazy. Move this down here. And then move this up a little bit. I feel like that kind of looks better. Let's see what it will look like on a screen. That's a lot better, but I still don't like it. I don't love it. We're gonna change this image later on. I think it's like just this design. Let's see if I took out the box. What if I fill? Maybe I just don't like the fill. Okay. Let's see what it'll look like. So I got this from here, so maybe let's make this bigger. Because that's where we actually laid it out. So, now let's see what will happen if we, let's try editing it here and see. do 64. Make it bigger, 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 bigger. Nope. 96. This is even. I'm probably gonna go back. Let's see. Preview. Wait. Let's try, because some of this is like cut off a little bit. Oh, but now the 19 is showing up, so let's do that. Let's see. Let's try the preview again. Okay, that's good. Only put 80. I don't know if it's my eyes, but it looks slanted. Or is the image that's slanted? Ugh, I just don't like it. Should I change? This is definitely slanted. Let's just get a random Canva image for working out. Pro, it's all pro. What's the heck, bro? I don't got the money for that. I don't got the money for that. Not right now, no room got it. One day I will get it though. Why is it all pro? Why? Okay, let's take off the color, because clearly yellow is a pro color, it seems. Bro. Okay, let's see this one. Okay, yeah. And let's change these colors to match our theme scheme, which is yellow and black. Oopsies. So let's make this yellow like this. And let's make this one that yellow. And let's make this I don't like that. Well, let's change the background to this to whites. Wait. Okay, now let's keep editing this. Let's see what it'll look like black. Oh, per. Okay. Let's make these like that. I like that. Okay. Let's screenshot this. And we're going to move this over. And let's zoom up so we can really see what we're doing here. Okay. Mm-mm. Let's move this here. I'm just thinking like if we have an image, this down, maybe that will make it like, maybe it'll give more of what I'm trying to do, because I don't like the, ooh, that looks, you see how that blends in perfectly? Love that. Perfect. Let's move this. And let's move this to the bottom. Let's move this up a little bit. Oopsies. Okay. And let's move the text here to be here. Maybe, oh heck no. Let's go back. We made a mistake there. Okay. Keep making this mistake. Actually, let's just leave this as it is for now. Let's move this down. Oops. Just a bit. And have this. Let's see what the space is between these two. 21. Let's make it 22. And they're somewhat aligned. Now let's see what it looks like when we present. I think I like that a lot better. But I don't know, I don't like that next button. I think it's the next button that's getting me. Let's see, what did we do for the other ones? Oh, the other ones, when they click on buttons, it just goes to the next page. That's why this next thing just came all of a sudden. So I'm trying to think of what would be a better way to, like, let me go to my sticker sheets. Maybe I need to start using these. Let's see how that looks. Instead of having this, I have this. Let's see what that looks like. I think I like that a lot better. I don't know, something about it, like I still don't love it, but I think I like the buttons a lot better. But then my problem with that is if that's the case, I'm gonna have to add those buttons to all of these here. All of them. Well, I guess I don't necessarily have to, because when they click on a button, it takes them to the next page, but they need a way to go back in case they made the wrong mistake because it wouldn't be user friendly if they can't go back and change your answer. Oh my goodness. The design dilemma. So, for example, this wouldn't be good to have a button, that button on. See, look. Let me see. The only way I see that working out is if I move this up a little bit and then I move this up. Let's see what that will look like. Maybe I'll end up just putting that button. Well, it's not awful. It's not awful, so I could do that. I'm definitely gonna have to fix these. They look lopsided. So I think that's what I'm gonna do. So that's the screen that we changed. So next thing we're gonna do is I think I actually want to go back. I keep going backwards. Hashtag new UX designer. That's why I like UX research so much better, like, than design. Like, I am so, like, designers, hands down to you, because this is some tough stuff. Like, this, it's not even that it's difficult. It's more of, it's like, it's tedious. Like, it's such tedious work. I definitely prefer UX research over design, hands down. But now I know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna use these back and forward instead of next. I think that works best. Yeah. But I have a long way to go, you guys. Do you see how much screens I have here? A lot. So thanks for tuning in to part, I don't know, infinity. Literally worked on one screen and that lasted, what time is it? Oof, that lasted almost 40 minutes working on one screen. This is why people do this full time, because it's a lot of work. I mean, research is a lot of work too, but it's just so much more fun. But anyways, thanks for tuning in and bye.